You know, funny, but how about this? They look going to play ball somewhere. I don't know how this is gonna look. I don't know if I can be able to do this in there. I tried this in Wallbox Simulator, so I'm gonna try that again here. New game. I don't know why it's continued, but we'll have a new game. I don't know how the programs. Somehow the program was disputed. I'm about to process the similar one, not the one in Roblox, but the Ellison one. So this is where we alternate. This might not be a long video, but I'm only gonna do a little stuff today, so I might not have all of it. Let's change the all sign right now. Comment out what you want me to name the sign. I'm gonna name it Joe Ox. Okay, Joe Ox. Go baby. Go baby. Go baby. No, wait. Alright, just comment out what you want me to name it. But now I'm just gonna name it. Yeah. Okay. But just comment out what you want me to name it, okay? This is where we have to go. Okay, so we only have Cloven to do, so let's do Cloven. Okay. Let's where's the tablet? The tab. Let's tap. Where's my tab? Hold on, I need to watch. Look at this video. Go tap. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do tank tops. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do this and this. So we're gonna do all the first four we can do all together so far. We can't do anything else in the other ones, so let's hire this guy too, just because of and like that. Oh, info. What? Remain. Oh, I don't have that money. Okay, so I guess we can't get that one yet. Let's undo that one. Undo that one. Let's since it's fall, let's redo it. So let's okay. So we can't get all of them. So what we want is we need what is the highest price them? Since it's fall, let's do this one. But do we have enough of that one? No, we don't. So I want to get this one, but we don't have enough for that one. So for this one, in this case, we're just going to do this one right now. And there we go. And then we're going to do this one. Just because. There we go. Now. I just want to see if it can go forward up there. This might not be long. This might only be 16 minutes. If you want me to continue with this, I will continue with this series. This will be a series. It's gonna be one of my series, but I don't know how long this is gonna take. I wish I could put my picture like YouTubers put the pictures in there. I can't do it yet. I'm going to see when, if it's available, how to do it because and that's what she doesn't take. Okay, but now boxes are right there, so let's. 8. Let's see if I can get past 10. So where would the tank top be? Let's put the tank tops. Tank tops will have to be on here. But this guy will be what's this price and what is this price? 62? That does not cost you. That's market price. I'm scamming people at that point. Let's go 80. Let's go 8. No. Let's go 42. Let's go with 76. Let's go with 80. 80. So let's go with 7. No, let's go with 60. We'll make $20. No, let's go with 80. We can make $40. Not bad. Cost $40. Make $40. What if we do 40? 0 will make 0. Okay, let's take out 62. And 40 should be good. Okay. Moment 2. Let's see if this can get past open. But like I had someone do this. I want to see what else is. So level 2. How many levels are there? This is level 4. That was level 3. Level 5. 6. Level 5 is that level 5? That's level 8. Oh. Oh, yeah. The name. I'm just gonna call it I. Right now, if you want me to change the name, I can. But I just want to check how many levels are there. So there's Joey, which is level 8. Is that level? That's level 6. Where is level 5? What is level 5? That's level 3. That's level 2. That is level 4. Then you think that's level 5, but no, that's wrong. So level 5 must be up. You think level 5 might be up here? I'm not positive. I'm gonna check because that's level 6. That's level 8. I'm trying to find how many levels there are. I might buy more, but until I just want to see how many levels there are. Level 9. That's level 12. Wait, is that level 12? It's gotta be level 12. Yeah, level 12. Okay, level 9. I just want to see how many levels there are first. 13. Level 16. Okay. Level 20. Okay. What's this way? What is it? Elevator. Ooh. Storage. Let's see what's in here. Nothing really. Okay. So let's explore what's on this other side. We can't get on this side from this side, so we have to go all the way over here. All the way over here. Hold on. Let's go this way. 11. Level 15. Level 17. Level 18. But where is level 5? There's no level 5? I guess when you hit level 5, you don't hit any of these. So some of these might not have each level, so all these might not be for one. Well, let's go back down so we can order some more stuff. See, let me order more stuff on my face. Hold on, let me cross my fingers. Hopefully it does it. Because once it gets to 10 minutes, it's done. Game over. Let's go with Yeah. This might be my first sector. Cross my fingers. Um, let's do that one. There we go. And then tab out. Okay, we're down now. So now we have new product to sell because we sold the other product. But this one's gonna be more of it because we're going to buy fail $100. Let's go plus 10% because we can make that. That was the day. So we buy that one for the next day. Yeah. I'm gonna change that up a little bit more. That's how I okay. Oh, I got it, yeah. Let's change it to be shop until you drop. Stop until you drop. There we go. Stop until you drop in all purple. And let's change this one to instead of saying hi this time, let's change that one to Megan's Colvin. Megan's capital M Megan's Cloven. Cloves. Megan Megan's Megan's C Megan Clove. Oh wait. Megan C O Megan C O Megan C O Megan C O Megan C clothes gloves. How to spell Alexa? How to spell clothes?
I have two spellings for the word close. Close.
Alexa.
The door.
How do you spell clothes? Like
I have two spellings
Alexa.
for the word close.
How do you spell clothes? Like a cloven. Like wear clothes.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, C L O CLO THING cloven. Oops. Is that how? Yeah. And then all that is capitalized. And that will be in this color. Now, can we... Oh, there is day 2. We're still all level 1. Oh, great. So let's open up. Guess we need to... I want to make products. Let's see these prices. Marketplace. That's the weirdest one ever. Okay. Can we get a stalker? Stalker. Management. Focus. Oh, I had to. Okay, let's put what? Let's get this one. And let's get this one. Oh yeah, we just sold out everything, but look, we have more. Okay, let's open this guy up now. Hold on. I want a sports market. I don't know. Let's see. Come on. Let's actually buy more stuff. Back. Stop to drop. Not bad. Let's restock this guy up. But I will get restocker for this. There we go. Now that's sucked up. Now let's unlock this one. Let's unlock this. And let's tap. Let's go to heal. Let's get one of those for the COVID store. And then let's go to sport market and do enough for. No, we don't have enough for these guys, so let's just get that one right now. And sport market will be closed until we can figure out what to do with that. It's difficult as of right now because it's not easy to do this. Um, so this is gonna be closed. And now, can we hire someone for that one? Oh, do we? We don't have enough. Okay, we don't have enough to hire people for that. But luckily, this sporting goods store is closed. But we can change the name right now. Can we? No, we can't change the name yet until we have product in there. Oh, that's why. I want to change the name of this store. Oh, there we go. Let's go with Nick's Sporting Goods. I don't know. Let's go with Ben 10. Let's go with Ben. Let's go with Sam. And Nick. Sam and Nick. That's nice. That's how it will be right. The rest of the time will be different colors, but let's restock before we start the new day. So let's see this guy and stock. We can't stock it anymore here. So let's stock them where they're necessary. So these are $40. So they're gonna go on this one. Yep. So tin cups are gonna have to go on there. Alright, let's open up because we can't make it more. Oh, we can make money from those. Let's check those first. Is there any more like that? No, I don't think so. How do people do that? Okay. Okay, so for products, we don't have enough of products right now. So I want to for the COVID. So I want to get this guy. Purchase one more of that. The course will be closed as of right now until closes. Can't place it there. Well, why can't I place it there? I want to place it on the mannequins so people will know to buy it. Oh, so this is the highest we gone with recording in a long time. I think it's because my computer can't take this long to record, but will too. So let's buy some. First, let's not open the code yet. This one will be closed eventually. I want to get worker for this. Yeah, but we can't yet. Do we get recycled for this one? No, we can't get recycled yet. We need more products. Ooh. But we can't do that yet. Let's see. Okay. Megan's girlfriend will be closing soon. It will be going out of business as well. Once I can get to... Oh. I'm like... That's weird. Once I can get hire a cash register for... No. I want to hire a cash register for... Oh, we get these prices here. Okay. But we ain't gonna sell that yet. Oh, we're so close. But we need to... I don't want to open that one yet. Let's buy that. Let's just buy one. No, let's not buy two. Let's buy one. And that's it. That's it. Let's also buy another. Alright. The closure will be the spoiler will be closed soon. Let's actually close the day. I didn't know you could cut these monies. Let's cut all this, so then enough. So let's see how much this one. Oh, that's level 6, okay. That's all we have, guys, today. I will end this video off at 40 minutes when if I can get um someone to purchase until I can get to hire someone for the this. Right? Now I can swap our product for that. That's all we have, guys. Say until next time. We'll see you next week. Next time. If you want me to play more of Mars Simulator, you know what, find me. Until then, I'm Valuable. Signing out. Peace.